From seed to table, watch the complete journey of garlics in this farm to restaurant story. Healthy garlic trees begin with carefully selected seeds. The moisture levels in tray 7B are stabilizing.
Good, the misting cycle is effective.
This one is damaged, removing it now.
Good catch. We need perfect uniformity for the growth monitoring stage.
The breeding process begins underground. Delicate roots emerge, followed by the seedlings pushing toward.
These seedlings are ready for the next phase.
Agreed. Let's schedule the transfer to Area 4 immediately.
Look at this soil structure, it's ideal.
And the pH on the device confirms it.
Strong garlic trees need strong land.
Looks good, just right for the garlic.
Yeah, moisture levels are perfect.
Fertilizing the soil ensures healthy garlic growth.
We have a slight variation here near the access road.
I see it. It's within tolerance, but worth noting.
Distribution is even. Soil pH optimal. Confirmed moisture levels are good.
Planting small garlic seedlings carefully ensures strong future growth.
Ensure the pressure holds steady across the zone.
It's looking good. We are ready for the flow test.
Proper watering preparation ensures healthy garlic growth.
Okay, I'm opening the main valve now.
The flow rate is increasing on the meter. Looks good.
Is this section aligned correctly?
Yes, the pressure looks stable here.
Okay, check the laser level now.
It's reading exactly 2%. We're good here.
Identifying insect damage and leaf diseases early protects garlic trees.
See the thrips damage on this leaf? We need to record the severity.
Okay, I'm logging it as severe. Prepare the treatment spray.
Spraying protects small garlic plants from insects and diseases.
The treatment looks effective here. Note the leaf color.
Confirmed.
Yeah.
The data aligns with the spray pattern.
Fertilizing the roots ensures strong and healthy garlic growth.
Careful harvesting ensures only the best garlics are collected.
This row looks particularly strong after the application.
Yes, the root development is excellent here. Look at the quality of this harvest.
They look perfect. We should keep them separated from the others.
Look at this one, it's huge.
We'll fill this basket in no time.
Cleaning and choosing good garlics ensures quality for market and consumption.
Look at the shine on this batch.
They are the best we've had all season.
Proper packaging preserves quality during transportation and sale. Proper transportation ensures garlics arrive fresh and undamaged.
Fresh garlics reach customers for buying, selling, and consumption.
That will be $3.50.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Try this, it's very fresh. Whoa, that's strong.
I like it. Let's get some for the sauce.
Wow, this is incredible. You have to try this one.
It's so sweet and fresh. Look how fresh these are, straight from the farm this morning.
Here at the modern table, garlic not only elevates the flavor profile, but also serves to enhance the visual appeal of every dish we create.
You have to try this steak. The roasted garlic is perfect.
It looks delicious. My salad is wonderful as well. The roasted garlic lamb and your chocolate cake, madam.
It looks absolutely incredible. I can't wait to try the dessert.
This is absolutely delicious.
Wow, the best meal I've had all year.